everyone. Hope you all are safe at your place and eating a well balanced meal and following up with all the diet tips which I have shared with you guys. And thank you for subscribing to our YouTube channel and liking our IGTV videos. So today also I'll discuss with you all guys some of the underrated or criticized food which we are excluding from our lifestyle, and we thought that we might suffer from any kind of health issues, or these food if we include in our diet led to weight gain. So this is totally wrong. So I'll discuss with you some of the food which you can add up in your meals which help to fight from your diseases if you're suffering from any, and help you to reduce your extra kgs. So let's start. The first and help you to reduce your extra kgs. So let's start. The first food which I'll discuss with you is whole egg. So many of people are not eating eggs or avoiding eating yellow part, thinking that we might gain weight as yellow part contain a lot amount of fat. But rather then excluding it, we can add up the whole egg in our meals, which help in increasing to fight against any kind of heart disease if you are suffering from, and may also lower your blood sugar level and decrease your hunger, also protect any kind of eye health, any kind of eye issues if you are suffering from. So include whole egg in your meal. Then you can add on coconut oil. Many of the people think that coconut oil is trans fat, but it's not right. Coconut oil contain a good amount of medium chain triglyceride which protect your heart health, suppress your appetite, increase your metabolic rate, and also lead for weight loss. So include 2 to 3 teaspoon of coconut oil in your daily meal, in the breakfast, lunch and dinner. Then you can add on full fat dairy also in your meal. And dairy products can improve your heart disease, protect any kind of heart issues if you are suffering from, decrease the loss of your muscle, build up a lot good strength during your aging, and also provide additional benefit like vitamin K12. So if you are not able to drink a glass of milk, you can include other related dairy substitute, for example homemade paneer or Greek yogurt or hunkered. Then you can add on legumes in your meals. So legumes are such amount of food which reduce your inflammation level and protect your heart health, also lead for weight loss. So balanced meal, if you're eating a balanced meal, you can add up on 2 portion of legumes in your meal. Then you can add up coffee in your meal. So regular intake of coffee can improve your mental and physical performance. It also protect any kind of liver issue if you are suffering from, boost up your metabolic rate. It also reduce the inflammation level and also help you to fight from several other diseases. But if you are having issue of acidity or heatness in your body, please avoid taking coffee. Then you can add on whole grains in your meal. Whole grains are rich in fiber, they are highly antioxidant and contain a lot of nutrients. So 4 portion of whole grains in your meal are definitely required. Then you can add on chocolate in your meal. Many of the people are crave of eating sweet after food, after dinner or after lunch. So a moderate intake of dark chocolate will help to increase your insulin sensitivity, decrease your blood sugar level, and improve your artery function. So you can have 1 or 2 pieces of dark chocolate, or like 70% dark chocolate in your meal. So the bottom line is that when it comes from eating a balanced meal, many of the people are not able to distinguish between the fact and fiction. So it's in your hand to eat a good amount of balanced meal if you want to fight from the disease, if you're suffering from any, or want to reduce weight. This is my diet tip for today. If you're suffering from any other kind of health issues, if you want to inquire any kind of thing related to fitness or diet, or any kind of customized diet plan if you are looking for, you can always WhatsApp us on our given number. Thank you very much, and stay tuned for our next diet tip.